Welcome to Noontime Labels, where you can easily create your own custom personalized wine, beer, and beverage labels. The first thing we recommend is creating an account. That way, everything you create or order on the website can be saved, so you can make edits and changes in the future. Just click the Login Sign Up button at the top of the page. Now, on to the basics. All our pre-designed templates can be found in the drop-down menus at the top of the page, neatly organized into different categories, depending on what you're looking for. The wine labels have many different styles to choose from, depending on whether you want a classic look or something a little more fun. There's also wedding labels, labels for holiday gifts, or if you have your own photo you want to use. They can all be found under the wine labels drop-down list. Beer and mead labels can be found by clicking the Beer and Mead Labels button. I know, I probably didn't need to point that out, but that's what we're here for. Once you click on the design you like, it will show you any variations for that label that are available, like size or color options. And if you want to see all the labels available on the website, you can do that too. They can be found by clicking All Custom Labels, here under the Shop drop-down menu, and also here in the Wine Labels menu. Here you can see all the different label designs, as well as the different sizes and colors that are available. You can even build your own label from scratch if you like. The Build Your Own Label tool allows you to create your own label using any of our available sizes and shapes. So, get in there and start playing with some labels and check out our other tutorials for more helpful information.